Now students, next we will study about the Darwinism. Darwinism, it was proposed by Charles Darwin and it is based on two key concepts. Means in the Darwinism we discuss about the natural selection and branching descent. Natural selection, that is very important. As all of you know about the natural selection, what is natural selection? Yes, the fittest organism they use to survive and it produces its progeny, and the other ones they will eliminate from the population. So here one example that is given in your book. So we will discuss this example, that we take one medium and in this medium the A population, means the bacterial colonies of the A population, they are present. Okay, and by using this medium they are able to grow, survive and reproduce. But when mutation occur in some of the members of the population, then what will happen? After mutation it will change into the another species which is known as B. Okay, so here these are showing the bacterial colony A population and this one is showing B after the mutation. Now what will happen, that when the medium that is changed, medium means by using the medium, like by using the medium the bacterial colonies they use to grow, survive and reproduce. So when this medium that is changed, then what will happen, that because of the changed condition only the bee population they used to survive, they will survive and they produce their progenies, and these A population they will not be able to grow. Okay, like in the 10th class you studied that the natural selection it helps the organism to survive in the extreme conditions. Okay, so now here this medium it is acting as the extreme condition, and in the extreme condition only the bee population they will survive and they reproduce. Okay, so in this case the bee population they are more fit as compared to the A, and the reproductive fit organism they will be only able to survive and produce its progenies. Now one more thing is there, that the variations it occurred according to the life cycle or the lifespan. If suppose any organism is having a very short life cycle or short lifespan, so the appearance of the new forms, or you can say the new species, it is formed earlier or within days. It means कि अगर किसी organism की life cycle बहुत ही short होती है, ओके, तो उसमें म्यूटेशन या वेरिएशन भी बहुत जल्दी आ जाती है, वेरिएशन बहुत जल्दी आ जाते हैं. एक्चुअली दीज वेरिएशंस दैट आर म्यूटेशन, बट जब चार्ल्स डार्विन ने जब इस चीज़ की डिस्कवरी की थी तो उस टाइम उन्होंने म्यूटेशन वर्ड यूज़ नहीं किया था, सो ही यूज्ड ओनली दी वेरिएशन. ओके, सो वेन एवर इन दैट एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो इन A and B, वन यू हैव टू राइट वेरिएशन ओनली, नॉट म्यूटेशन. तो जब कोई लाइफ साइकिल किसी ऑर्गेनिज्म की बहुत ही शॉर्ट होती है तो उसमें वेरिएशंस जो होती हैं, वेरिएशंस they will come very fast, and if suppose in a complex organism the life cycle that is also very long, means of years, it take years, so any new form or you can say the variation it will come, or new species it will form in so many days. It will take years for that, or millions of years it will take. Next is the branching descent. It explains that all organisms that are modified descendants of previous life forms. It means कि जो जितनी भी न्यू स्पीशीज ओरिजिनेट होती हैं, these originate from a single common ancestor. Okay,